Okay, in case you're confused about what's going to happen on January 6th as far as the runoff election goes, I'll tell you how I see that. It's pretty, I don't know, I guess it's not pretty straightforward, but it's pretty, but in a sense it is. And this is how I see it. Okay, you probably already can infer how I feel about the election. Georgia was not going to use paper ballots like they had floated the idea of they should. You've got Trump telling people to go to D.C. on the same day. You've got people like Linwood saying, don't vote in the election and let your non-vote be a vote, because then the Republicans will have a negative vote tally because of the Dominion machines. You got two candidates, which obviously, well, let me put it this way: you got two candidates that it's easy to not be too excited about, especially considering their recent behavior with the stimulus bill and their lack of backing the elector thing on the 6th, even though Trump has personally endorsed both of them, even just as recently as a couple of days ago, right? So you have a lot of confusion there, and you're like, well, the Republicans probably could win this, but a lot of people might not show up and vote, or they might not vote because of this. They're going to this other thing, or they might feel that the election they can't win. So this is the way I look at it. There's absolutely no way that the Republicans don't win that race. Still means you have to go and vote, but there's no way that they don't win. And you want to know why? It's actually quite simple. Because the people who control those Dominion machines are going to make sure that the Republicans win, for sure. They so badly want to be able to say, see, there's no cheating, because if there was cheating, then these guys would have lost this election, right? Because then the Democrats, who you accused us of doing that for, would control the Senate. So see, it didn't happen. A Republican majority in the Senate is, to them, is still better than Trump in the White House. And if Republicans don't win, especially if it's close, and there's scrutiny on the machines, or this time there's a ton of people there trying to poll watch and they're not allowed in, anything like that happens, it's just going to brighten the light that's been shining on the presidential election F word. So yeah, they're going to let that go au naturel, or they might even spice it up for the Republicans a little bit because they want Trump out that bad. But you still got to go and vote if you live there and if you're alive.